We received a lot of suggestions asking us to cover how to successfully set up gas production from scratch in Town Star, so we decided to do one. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified immediately when a new video is out. As you can see, we are really starting from scratch. First, we pick a location near the city. It does not need to be near a river. Our priority is near a city to not waste gasoline. We are placing our town in between two mountains and near the city, Port Elizabeth. In our earlier video, we had sugarcane harvesting and sugar production, but we will start with wheat harvesting to produce purely cotton in this gameplay. As you can see, we actually already completed the daily challenge, but we are restarting our game to record this video for you. Do hit the like button as it's a form of encouragement to the creators, and we thank you for that support. The first thing we do is to change our depot to our Express Depot NFT. Express Depot is available when you sign up for Gala Gold. Check the link to sign up for Gala Gold below. Always remember to change to Express Depot. If not, you will not get your town coins. Next, we sell some wheat. Remember not to max out your storage limit, if not the produce will be wasted. Build a range house so the ranger can tend to our sheep, which will then produce cotton for us. Remember, do not activate the ranger first, as we haven't started building our sheep pen. Next, we start planting our wheat fields. Plant them near ponds and marshes, as these will provide passive water to our fields, so our farmers do not need to waste effort in watering them. Next, we build our feed mill and trough for our sheep. Build more farmhouses so our only farmer does not need to work so hard. We can actually remove the ponds we are not going to use to get some money. Clearing a pond will earn us $5,000. Remove ponds near the mountains, as we will not be planting any wheat fields near the mountains due to the negative proximity effect of the mountains. What this means is that it will take a longer time for any plantation to grow when they are near mountains. Always build your gasoline-related buildings away from your plantations for the same reason. In order to produce gas, you will need 1 petroleum, 2 water drums, and 6 energy. And you need 2 crude oil, 1 water drum and 2 energy to produce petroleum. Build a wind turbine to give us energy. Build an oil pump to give us crude oil. Sell wheat in the meantime to save cash for constructing other buildings like oil refineries for gas and sheep pens for cotton. An important point to note, even though we build a range house first, we are not clicking on it to activate it despite our builder being done with it, because the ranger will cost us money every minute the moment we activate it. Don't worry if your money is running low. You can destroy the ponds near the mountain for cash. Only destroyed ponds, as removing marshes, will cost you instead. Time to build our sheep pen. As of now, we have 5 wheat fields, 4 farmhouses, 3 ranger houses, 1 sheep pen, 3 feed mills, 1 trough, 1 oil pump, and 1 wind turbine. Continue selling wheat and cotton, but monitor your gas left in the storage. If possible, we like to sell cotton instead of wheat, as we can make more per trip. $4,000 to $5,500 for cotton versus $3,000 for wheat. At this point in time, we have not produced gas, so we would like to save up our gas. But our sheep are not producing cotton fast enough, hence we are selling wheat first. Continue to build buildings needed for gas production, like a warehouse to store your energy and water drums, and a water facility to produce water drums. Build your worker house only after you have built your warehouse, oil pump, and wind turbine, so we can straight away get to work without wasting your permitted wages. Our sheep have finally produced enough cotton for delivery. We will sell the 10 cotton for $4,000 to $5,500. Okay, we finally have enough. Let's start building an oil refinery. The oil refinery can produce either gas or petroleum. For starters, you can interchange between them until you have enough to build another refinery, which are one refinery for petroleum and one refinery for gas. We intend to get rid of the water facility by building water pumps in these areas to provide water to the refineries. Hence, we structure the roads and buildings this way. After some fine-tuning, we have 4 wheat fields, 3 farmhouses, 4 ranger houses, 1 lumberjack house, 1 sheep pen, 4 feed mills, 2 troughs, 1 oil pump, and 2 wind turbines. At last, we have enough cash to build another refinery. Self-sufficiency achieved. Thank you for sticking to the end. It's a long process, but I think it took slightly under 3 hours to finally be self-sufficient in gas production on the first day. Just some tips for gameplay. Tip 1. Gala has changed the daily challenges recently, so now the points increase incrementally daily for daily challenges. It's easier to complete the daily challenges at the start, so you can slowly build up. Don't worry about trying to be self-sufficient in gas production from day 1. However, if you have 4 to 5 hours to spare on day 1, then please rewatch this video to see the exact steps we took to become self-sufficient in gas production within a few hours. Tip 2. Don't be afraid to sell your ponds or let wheat or wood go to waste. We rather use our gas to sell cotton for more cash than waste our gas for selling wheat and wood. Having said that, please balance it out. Tip 3. We like to start baby steps in gas production from day 1. For example, building a wind turbine first, then maybe an oil pump on day 2. Tip 4. We like to build our workers, farmers, rangers' houses first, but we do not click to activate them because it will cost us wages per minute. Only activate them when you are sure your production can cover their wages per minute. Tip 5. Do not fret about being very tidy or building your wheat fields in perfect rows at the start. We will only do that after we are self-sufficient in gas. Before we end this video, we would like to add that we will be using this setup to work our way up to blue steel production. Have further questions? Let us know in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more NFT and crypto-related information. Please feel free to share our videos with your friends so everyone can learn more about crypto and blockchains. See you in our next video.